This is a Vestax PMC-06 Pro A dual input DJ mixer. It's in for repair because the monitor slider at one end of it has been damaged and it's gone all sloppy. It looks like it's probably been thumped or dropped on its end and it's not working. So to get it out, we need to take the silver top panel off, which is held on by 5 screws. Just take the screws out and lift the tops off the slider controls, and this silver plate will then lift off, leaving another black plate underneath it. That can be lifted out if you take, there's 2 screws along each side of it and another 2 at each end. If you take those screws out, you can then lift this internal part out, but we only actually need to lift it enough to see our control in this case. And it looks like it's become, the bit that's attached to the PCB looks like it's become 2 separate parts, so we need to take that out and fix it up. The easiest way to do it is to actually take the control out of the PCB. So this one I've actually done it already, but I'll take you through the process. So after desoldering it, take it out carefully because it'll likely fall apart if it's damaged like this one was. So the 2 halves of the controller held together by sort of 2 lugs at each end of it, and they need to be re-bent back round to hold the silver top bit to the white bit. So you can do that easily with a pair of pliers. Don't go too mad on it because you'll end up distorting the top plate or breaking something in the lower part of it. Hopefully the carbon track inside this control hasn't broken when it got thumped. This one sort of feels like it's okay. So you need to then just put this back in the, solder it back in the board and reattach the circuit board and the cables into the unit. Hopefully it should work. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the Orange Valley Systems YouTube channel for more videos.